Hi, welcome to this week's Smart Skin blog post. I'm Dr. Margaret Kontras Sutton, dermatologist here at Sutton Ryan Dermatology and Aesthetic Center. Today's topic is handiwork, and that is a topic that is not to be forgotten. Many of us spend a lot of time and energy on keeping our faces in great shape, and we're here to help you for that. But don't forget the hands, because the hands are certainly an indication of one's age. So today I'm going to tell you about my very favorite hand rejuvenation procedure, one that I actually performed on myself, and it's called IPL, which stands for Intense Pulsed Light. It's a device that we have here that's very similar to a laser, which applies concentrated light beams onto the affected area, and it's quite effective for brown spots on the hands. And we're next going to show you a picture of my own hand prior to the IPL treatments that I did on myself. And here's a photograph of my own hand taken prior to the procedures, and I'm going to point out the brown spots that I had. Not a lot, but enough to show some decades of sun exposure. And this is my hand today, and you can see that it is vastly improved. This is after just 2 IPL treatments. One was performed in March and one was performed in April. And this is the IPL device. This is the hand piece, and this is where the light source comes out of, and it's just simply applied directly to the hand. And as you can see, because of the size, it takes multiple applications, multiple fires. It's a little bit has the sensation of feeling like a rubber band snapping against the skin, so it's very tolerable. And we'd like you to come in and talk about it and hear about it prior to the treatment, because if you're on certain photosensitizing medications, we need to advise you on how to handle that. So it does require some education and just some knowledge prior to the procedure, but it's a very quick and simple procedure and really won't interrupt your day. Now that we see our great results, we want to know how can we maintain those great results, or if you don't have brown spots, how can you prevent brown spots in your future? First way is to avoid unprotected sun exposure. We have a number of wonderful sunscreens here at our clinic. This is one called Total Defense and Repair. We like this one because it not only protects against UVB, UVA, it also protects against infrared, which is an invisible ray that causes heat. So we recommend protection of the hands. Don't forget the hands. You might be good about putting your sunscreen on your face, but don't forget the hands. And my newest favorite way to protect are sun protection fabrics. And to protect the hands, I have discovered this very lightweight fingerless glove, which is UPF 50, and it's wonderful when you're hiking or walking or running, because you can still text if you need to, but it does give you excellent protection. So if you feel like you just don't want to put your sunscreen on that day, you can use these. So if you see a person running around Holmes Lake with long sleeves and gloves and a wide-brimmed hat, it's probably me.